Hello, this is Mark from Productive Computing University with a course called Connect FileMaker to MailChimp. So what is MailChimp? Over 13 million businesses rely on MailChimp to create and send engaging emails that reach the right people, build better relationships, and help drive revenue and growth. This course teaches you everything you need to know to build a foundation for communicating to any part of the MailChimp platform. We focus on making connections between contacts you might have in FileMaker, where you can add, edit, and delete them in MailChimp. Likewise, if you're finding yourself collecting emails from your website or your shopping cart, we'll show you how to bring those contacts into FileMaker as well. Even if you're a beginner, we teach you the course in such a way that doesn't require past experience with APIs, and most FileMaker scripts are created step by step so that you can follow along on your end. This course comes complete with a demo file that is completely unlocked and can be used for your own integration as a place to start. So if you're asked to create an automated connection between FileMaker and MailChimp, we believe this course is the best way to get started, so you can spend more time building FileMaker solutions and less time learning the MailChimp API from scratch. If you want to learn more, go to www.productivecomputinguniversity.com and enroll in the course called Connect FileMaker to MailChimp.